AKJ Industries is dedicated to advancing the science of dust control. In an effort to create a more effective and eco-friendly product line, AKJ has developed a revolutionary new dust control testing device. The device is designed to simulate a transfer point in a material handling unit by feeding coal via free fall and introducing an increase in air velocity. A vibrating chute feeds coal into a rotating pan. The plexiglass cage enclosing the equipment is outfitted with a suction hose and inline filter. This filter is weighed before and after the test is run in order to quantify the amount of dust generated. The coal samples tested were composed of 40% fines, plus or minus 2%, and were all of equal moisture. Product was carefully applied to the coal samples inside heavy-duty plastic bags in order to limit overspray and product loss. This video illustrates how the device works. As you can see, as soon as this coal sample begins to free fall, the filter becomes inundated with dust. The following test is a side-by-side comparison of an untreated sample compared to an identical sample treated with AKJ's new surface bond technology. The visual results speak for themselves. Quantitative results consistently showed a dust reduction of over 90%. In addition to weighing the amount of dust collected by the filter, a dust track is mounted in a fixed position above the rotating pan. The dust track gathers real-time information and outputs an average dust reading in milligrams per cubic meter for each test run. This adds another layer of quantitative data to support results. The following sample is from a mine where your facility receives coal. This sample has not been treated with any dust control application. As you can see, as soon as the coal enters free fall and impacts the rotating pan, the visual dust is easy to see, and the blue filter in the background quickly becomes inundated with dust. In the center left of the screen, you see a hose with a metal fitting at the end. That is actually attached to the dust track, which is taking instantaneous readings for the entire duration of the test. As you can see, you can no longer see any blue on the filter. It's completely covered with dust. Now I'm going to pan up on the dust track, and there's the maximum dust reading for that test. 52.9 milligrams per cubic meter was the maximum reading. And again, there was one last look at the filter. Now this sample is an identical coal sample from the same location, treated with EnviroGreen 2600. We'll call this sample 1, by the way, which will correspond to a data chart that'll be sent along with this video of all the testing results. Again, this time you can see as the treated coal goes through free fall, there's far less visual dust, and the filter remains much cleaner, much longer. Again, note the hose leading to the dust track. I'll pan up in just 1 second to show those results. For the untreated sample, the maximum dust reading across the sample time was 52.9 milligrams per cubic meter. Note that in this case, it'll flash up in just 1 second, the average, or the maximum, was 3.79 across the sample time. So you're looking at a massive reduction in dust control, somewhere along the lines of 95%. And there's another look at the filter where you can still see quite a bit of blue on the filter. It didn't collect near as much dust. We did this for 3 different of the mines that ship coal to your facility, and the results will be sent along with this video. Thanks for your time.